Hi, Bronte Manuel with an Adelaide real estate update looking back on the month of June. Put simply, there are plenty of buyers looking for properties in Adelaide, but stock levels just don't match that demand. As a result, sales figures, both in terms of volumes and price point, have been healthy and certainly stronger than we were experiencing at the peak of COVID-19 restrictions. At Toop&Toop, we sold an average of more than 2 properties a day in June, and we had more than 2,000 groups attend property inspections during that period. 32% of them were new to the market. We'd usually expect that figure to sit around 10%. Digital data was very strong too. In June, our homes were viewed more than 5.1 million times on realestate.com.au, and we registered 110,000 virtual inspections of our properties on toop.com.au. There's no doubt, however, that some vendors are holding back on listing their properties, and that's reflected in research from CoreLogic. While their data showed a mild bounce back in new listings in Adelaide for June, they're still down 14.8% on the same period from last year. The number of total listings has dropped too, down 19.8% year on year. Any subtle increase in new listing levels has been more than offset by increased sales activity. CoreLogic sales data confirms that lower stock levels have created greater competition. Properties are selling more quickly. The median days on market for Adelaide homes has dropped to 42 compared with 49 days at the same time last year. It's no surprise that the Adelaide market has held typically firm in terms of property values too. Dwelling values currently sit at 0.2% below May's record high levels. That's on the back of quarterly growth of 0.7% and a 2% increase the past year. Winter is traditionally considered a less active period for real estate, but there is plenty of evidence to suggest that this is an excellent time for sellers to list their property. Those who choose to wait until spring could face increased competition, with the very real possibility of an influx of new stock.